we have to spot this guy in. Okay, so this is your first time out here? Whoa!
Better there than when you're almost at the top. Wow.
Broke the cable.
Broke the cable.
That's the first one I see. Always Barry has to be the first.
I can't believe you broke that cable.
Oh, who's in back?
Me.
Four.
Now I'm not going to back up with it tight.
Yeah, we want it tight. Try the knot. Wait a minute.
They just want to tighten up the knot.
That cable snaps again, we want to be out of the way.
Back up.
It didn't. That was good.
Right back to their windshield.
Yeah. Well, the far side actually came back pretty far.
I know.
It broke close to his truck, and
Luckily, it kind of coiled itself up.
yeah.
I've got 0 oil pressure. Okay, try it. Pull it in. Go. I think that's
Ugly
good.
noise.
Let it down. Back up. Let it down more. Okay, back up. Back up. You have like 3 feet or so.
Yeah.
Let's just more. You're losing the cable a little bit. Alright? That's good. Okay. That's your line. Nice and slow. Don't jerk it.
We want to make sure that the cable holds tight. Just keeps it split.
Oh.
That would have snapped